License casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win!
Muito bom. E aí, agora vai para o outro lado, pode usar uma vértebra lombar. Eu te avisar de respirar, tá bom?
Uhum.
Pode respirar bem fundo. Deixa o ar sair. Solta. Ótimo. Muito bom. Tranquilo? Uhum. Vai para baixo de novo. Mesma coisa, tá? Vai respirar bem fundo. Solta o ar. Ótimo. Muito bom. Tira o rosto, relaxa. Relaxa bem seu ombro. Fecha o olho. Respira fundo. Solta o ar. Solta. Tá bom. Rosto para baixo. Joga os braços assim, ó, segura seu ombro, tá?
Uhum.
Isso. Esse joelho aqui, só esse. Respira fundo. Soltou. Solta. Ótimo.
Que legal.
Antes. Ótimo.
Ah, é mais ou menos aí.
Uhum. Uma rotação assim. Isso. Soltinho. Pode deixar. Relaxa não. Perigo nenhum. Relaxa o ombro pra mim. Ótimo. Perfeito. Bom. Ótimo. Muito bom.
Do you have something going on with your right knee?
Yes, I've got a pain on the right lateral.
I use what's called the vibrocursor, and I want to just relax the areas out there here. So we're following the trap muscle, 1 and T3 on either side. And I know you got a lot of movement out of that one. Breath in and exhale out. Good. 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 And to the other side. Bottom leg up straight, top leg flat. Perfect. Come a little bit closer, right there. Good. Flat on your back. Today we're gonna do things very light. Good, just very light. How's that feeling?
Good.
Not too hard?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. See, that was already, she is nervous.
Yep. Wasn't too bad.
See, I told you today, I'm gonna bring that shoulder blade back here. That shoulder back, what that's doing, that's opening up that entire shoulder blade here. So this is where I'm going to get in, and I'm going to do the really bringing my thumb up and under her scapula. And this is where I'm doing the push and hold for 3 seconds. So this is the area underneath here. Okay with this one?
This one's fine.
Okay, so this one's good. So now what I also want to do, open my back. So I really am getting and focusing on this. So what I'm doing here, we can do a few drops with this.
All the way out. Head relaxed. Beautiful upper back adjustment. Slow deep breath in. More. I'm gonna do another 1 or 2 of those. Breathe in, breathe, and slowly let it out. You can feel the tension that's been in there. Good. And out. Wow. There we go. Chest relaxed. It started moving already. And breathe in. Shoulders relaxed. Easy. Oof. That one is really tight. We're going to open that one up differently. And then breathe in. And out. Hips relaxed. Wow. Look at that face. Maybe? Okay, 4th or 5th adjustment. The body's already doing much better. Breath in again, Mel. And wow. Put my hands in here, and then your hands on top of mine. Squeeze down, Mel. Breathe in. Keep squeezing. Fall back, chest up. Beautiful. That was that T3. Aligned, and anything you would tell people watching that maybe haven't been doing.
Checking those first ribs, reach his arm around, grab my opposite shoulder, hold on. Yep. No, yeah, that was great. Reach his arm around. Good. Good. There's that on your. Good. So that was just, we want this one right here, let it drop. There you go. Other side, please. And we're at 26,000 subs. We're almost at 27,000 subs. It's been awesome. So let's keep, thank you so much for helping the channel grow. Let that drop one. There you go. On your back, all the way to the floor. Oh my goodness, that was an awesome adjustment. Right there. Lift your head a little for me. Oh yeah, I'm got a little on this lateral knee here. A little pressure. Mohammed, you can feel a little pressure? There you go. And they come to us for a wellness visit or a tune-up visit once a week. Sometimes it's twice a week. You know, a lot of baseball players a week take care of, relax your head back. There you go, a little easy one right there, perfect. Go and stand on that floor.
Good, just gonna feel right there, good. Good. Very good. Now across this arm, here and here. Bring the shoulders back. Good. Very good. Wow, that was loud. Restriction is in her sacroiliac joint on the left. And then around her L5 area. Let's see if we can get this adjusted here. Good. Very good. Excellent. All right, let's see. Let's go. Is that too hard?
No.
or two ago?
Back in May, yep, 304 miles.
304 miles, 3 days. Easy job, or
Yeah, pretty easy job.
did you finish it too?
No.
Oh, you don't have to lift more concrete, do you?
Yes, I do.
Oh man.
So I'll be back again.
All right. And in and out here. And up top. And in and out here. And one more. Good. Let's go on your side. Right side down, left sensitive place on most people. This is for like glute med, which is typically tight with people who are experiencing the complaint that Rich is experiencing today. How you doing so far? All this, his psoas muscle. If the glutes are tight like on him, and this stays tight after he leaves, it just kind of keeps pulling on the pelvis, and then everything just goes back to being tight again. So I try to loosen and relax this leg.